Hey y'all, this is Angie. Welcome back to my old country kitchen, where today we're going to make a Big Mac style burger and some fries. I hope y'all are hungry, so let's get cooking. So what's a burger without fries? Today I'm just going to cook these Checkers Rally's waffle fries. You can have any kind of fries you want. You can even cut up home fries, but today we're kind of in a hurry and we're going to do these. So let's just dump these fries in a metal pan. Just follow the instructions on the back and you bake them in the oven, or you can use your air fryer. I used 2 hamburger patties and flatten them in a pan, and they're halfway cooked now, and I put salt and pepper on them, and we got our fries in the oven, and I think these are about ready to flip. I'm going to cut these in 4 pieces to make our Big Mac style burger. And you may have to cut it a little bit more to fit onto your sandwich. I flipped the burgers and see that nice dark brown char on the burger. Now we're just going to let them sit in the pan and cook on that side. Cinnamon's been helping me in the kitchen again. She's got my bread out, and she's got my Thousand Island dressing. See what else she got here. Oh, got my lettuce and pickles. Got some minced onion. Got some sharp cheddar cheese. I don't have any sliced American cheese. I'd rather have some cheddar anyway. But yeah, this is Thousand Island, great value. And we got the Lewis hamburger buns. So to make this Big Mac, you're gonna need 4 buns, but you're gonna end up with 2 tops. So you're gonna have 2 bottom buns and a top bun on both. 2 bottoms and a top. I used to work at McDonald's back when I was younger. This is around 1998, 1999. I'm sure everybody, or most people, had a fast food job, and especially McDonald's. That's like a lot of people's first job. So anyway, we'll go ahead and I'm not saying this is all the right order to put it on. This is the way I do it. Put enough sauce. I like a little extra sauce. We'll put the onions on. Don't want to put too many and overpower it with onion. I think I'm going to use almost all of it. There's juice in there, and I don't want to pour the juice and make my burger soggy. Now, go ahead and put some lettuce. Try to use all this. I'll give me a little extra lettuce. This will be my plate right here. Husband's on that side. Now you can use any kind of pickles you want. I'm using bread and butters. I thought I had 4 pickles in there. Only got 3 out, I guess. Then I'm going to have to learn how to count. That girl's really helpful in the kitchen, and I love her. Okay, now I'm just going to put some of this shredded sharp cheddar. Don't need too much, just a pinch on each bun. We got our cooked beef patties on to our buns and toppings, and we're just going to build this burger, and that's it. The Big Mac style burger at home. Just take one side, stack it on the other, top bun, and you got yourself another Big Mac style. Look at that, getting it in the camera real good. Yep. Is it going to taste as good as McDonald's? Now let's sit down and try this Big Mac style burger at home. And I have a few waffle fries, and I got my Coca-Cola. So go ahead and look at that. Don't that, you want to bite? Let's see if I can bite into this. Mm. Could use a little bit more Thousand Island dressing. I was afraid to put too much, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little extra. I love it. You don't want a dry burger. Or you don't want a dry sandwich. I always loved the Big Mac since I was a kid, and I haven't had a real Big Mac from McDonald's in years. Not because I can't afford it. Yeah, it's kind of pricey, but their quality has gone way downhill. And I feel like my quality at home tastes better than theirs. Mm. Let's have a little waffle fry. Mm. Get a little of that Thousand Island on it. A little dressing and some lettuce. Mm. Hey, y'all want some? You're gonna have to make it. I'd say this is budget friendly and pretty easy to make. But I want to thank y'all for joining me. Y'all have a great day.